this session we're going to show you how you can create an information page within the junior school section of the Learning Gateway. So let's get started. We've logged into learn.redlands.qld.edu.au. What we're going to go is go to your class. We're going to go to view class page. The first thing we need to do is go to our view all folders. And what we need to do is first of all add a new folder. So I'm just going to go tap here, add new folder, give this folder a name. Call it test folder. I'm going to assign it for everyone in this class only. You can assign it to multiple classes, so the 2 Year 4 classes for instance, but let's go create folder. Okay, within this folder now what I'm going to do is go up to edit, and when you bring up this edit button it'll bring up this little icon here. Now what we can do is add some information, so very simply let's go welcome to year. Now just like in any of the other editing tools, I can change the font, I can change the size up here, and I can change the colour. In this case, let's make it blue. We can also add images, so there's a couple of ways you can add images. The first way is tapping on this button here, the tree button. This is going to ask you for a URL, so if you want to use a URL image, you need to copy the URL up here and then paste it. The only problem with that is that sometimes those URLs change, so you might be better off using an image that's on your computer. So if I go over to this filing cabinet, this is going to give you the option where you can choose a file on your computer. So I'm just going to go choose file. I'm going to go to where my photo is already at, and this one. I'm just going to go upload. This is going to upload that image. Now you'll notice it's quite big, so I'm just going to halve that. So let's go 425 over here and halve that, 225. Let's go refresh. That looks a lot better. I'm going to go insert that. So right now what I've done is created this welcome page within this folder. So now if I go save, you'll notice here is my test folder, welcome to the year. Now if I go back to the home button and then I go back to what I want to do is add it to here. So if I go back to view class pages, scroll to the bottom, go over to view all folders, what I want to do is select the test folder now to be current. So what happens is when I attach home, you'll see now my test folder is the main folder, and I tap on it, it brings me to that welcome page. That is how you create a very simple information page. If you want to add other things, so if we go back to edit, we can modify that. We can do other things as well, so we can create a hyperlink. For example, we can type in the word learn, and what we can do is highlight the learn, select a website that you want to go to, learn.redlands.qld.edu, and we're going to highlight it, hit the link, and all we're going to do is paste that in there. I'm going to open up in a new window, insert, and we'll go save. So now if I tap on this learn, you'll notice what it does, it takes me back to that website. Nice and easy. So that's how you create an information page.